If you're in the crypto space, you would have noticed that Ethereum fees got more expensive, really got more expensive, and Ethereum is going through scalability challenges. Ethereum is faced with what we call a trilemma. Ethereum is secure, but it needs to be more scalable, and it needs to be more affordable too, without it losing the security. So that is what brought in layer 2. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Uniswap on Optimism and Arbitrum. Optimism and Arbitrum are layer 2 platforms that Uniswap integrated in order to enable seamless swaps on layer 2. One of the greatest features of layer 2 is that they are very affordable and they leverage the security of Ethereum blockchain, which is where Arbitrum and Optimism come in. So Uniswap have integrated. Before now, Uniswap had only was only on Ethereum network, but it has integrated Polygon network and Optimism and Arbitrum. But before you can swap on Optimism and Arbitrum, you need to add the Optimism and Arbitrum network to your MetaMask, which is already installed in your Brave or Chrome browser. So how do you add Optimism and Arbitrum? You just simply go to your browser and you type adding Arbitrum to your MetaMask, and it will bring up one of the searches, one of the top searches on Uniswap. So Uniswap has an article that addressed this for you. So if you want a very cheap and near instant transaction, it's very achievable on Arbitrum. So this is how to add Arbitrum. You just simply go to your MetaMask. And you go to the network part. You click on add network, and you see network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol. Then you go back to that document, and you click on that place, and it takes you to, yes, mine is add network. So you might see custom RPC, see the same thing. So you simply go to network name, you add Arbitrum mainnet beta, then you add this, you type this in out, just type all of this in out, and you click on save. When you click on save, you're simply ready to go, and you would have swapped to the Arbitrum network. And this is the same thing for Optimism. Just simply search for Optimism, and you will also get what you need to put into your MetaMask to switch from Arbitrum to Optimism, or from Ethereum to Optimism, or either ways, however you want it. So let's swap. Now that we already have Arbitrum in our Uniswap, integrated into our MetaMask, it will now reflect in our Uniswap. So we just click on Arbitrum and click switch network, and we'll be automatically switched to Arbitrum. But now, I had a little ETH on my Ethereum wallet, but now that is Ethereum layer 1. That is layer 1 network. But we need to move in order to enjoy cheap and near instant transaction on Uniswap using Arbitrum. We need to move this ETH from layer 1 Ethereum network to layer 2, so that on layer 2 we can do our transactions cheap and affordable and very fast, without the delays or the how expensive or costly transaction happens on layer 1. So what should we do? This is where we need to now use the Arbitrum token bridge. We go to, you see it down here, you need to use the bridge. You need to bridge from layer 1 to layer 2. So we are connecting to the bridge. So you need to bridge from layer 1 to layer 2. So you have a layer 1 balance, and now see layer 1 balance and layer 2. So as soon as see, this is the quantity I have here. So when I put in 0.0016, when I put it in, you can leave others, you can send other tokens too. Like you can send other tokens to from layer 1. Like any token you want to swap on Uniswap, you must move it from layer 1 to layer 2. So then you put in this. When I click on deposit now, it's going to move from layer 1 to layer 2. Of course, you need to pay gas fee, but the good part of this is that you're only paying gas fee for moving from layer 1 to layer 2. As soon as it gets to layer 2, you're going to have an almost, you can go to spend almost zero gas fee on layer 2. So when you send it over, after sending it over, you just simply go back then, and then your balance will be reflecting here because you've already moved it from layer 1 to layer 2. And then you can now do your swap. You can now look for the token that you want to swap to, and for example, now you want to swap to let me use like this for example. Then you want to swap from this to this and that. So you simply, so you can, in order to help save you from spending a lot of gas fee always bridging, you can move a lot of Ethereum once. Maybe for example, now if you go on that Arbitrum, you can move like up to $500 or $1,000 Ethereum and to your layer 2, so that after you've deposited on your layer 2, when you come here, you can make as many swaps as possible without any fee and swap and make your profit. So when you're done, you can't let's just say now you want to withdraw your profit, you have to move everything back to layer 1. So you go back to the token bridge, move it back to layer 1, and then you can withdraw it and convert to cash if you need to. So I hope that was simple for you. This also works for Optimism too. If you want to do it on Optimism, just simply do the same thing that we did, adding Optimism network to your MetaMask, and to reflect here, you just simply go to Optimism and you click on switch network. You switch to Optimism, you go to the same bridge, token bridge, and go to token bridge, and you move your funds from layer 1 to layer 2. And see, you have to make sure your wallet is connected. Connect your MetaMask wallet. So you move your token from, if you notice now, this is optimistic Ethereum and this is mainnet. So we are on mainnet, our funds are on mainnet, so you can simply swap it, like switch. So this is like withdraw. So you can just go to, you are depositing, so you're not withdrawing. So you are depositing and not withdrawing. So you want to move your Ethereum from layer 1, so you make sure it's in deposit, and you send to optimistic Ethereum deposit, and then you go back to your swap. When you go back to your swap, you simply make sure it's back in Optimism, and you do your swap. You swap from your Ethereum to your token you want to buy, and everything will reflect in your wallet. So I hope that was clear enough, that was simple enough. You need to get started on using all the layer 2 features because they are super amazing. I will do videos. I already have like one video where I explained Optimism and Arbitrum. I'm going to be doing some other videos on ZK rollups because these are like scalable platforms where you can trade with almost no gas fees, almost instantly, and you enjoy using decentralized platforms even way better. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification button on. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to recommend any video you want us to do for you. See you in my next video.